Hey everybody, welcome back to AP Statistics. Today we will be taking a look at a probability problem in preparation for the 2020 AP Statistics exam on Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Let's take a look at this probability question. The athletics department of a large suburban school district tracks the age of student athletes registered to play for the varsity sport at the starting of the spring season. The table below shows the distribution of age and years for those student athletes. Part A asks us, if a student athlete is chosen from the district at random, what is the probability that they are at least 16 years old? So I'm going to be doing my work right here next to the problem. Or actually, I'll do it down here. So I'm going to mark part A, and I'm going to say the probability that X is at least, we mark at least by saying greater than or equal to 16 years old is equal to 1 minus the probability that X is less than 16 equals, which is the same as saying 1 minus 0.094 plus 0.139. Okay. You would want to go ahead and type this into your calculator. 1 minus 0.094 plus 0.139. And sorry, make sure you use parenthesis around these two. We get an answer of 0.767. That is our answer. Okay? So that's part A. Part B asks us to calculate the expected age of a randomly selected student athlete. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, part B. So the expected age, make sure you write our formula first. So E sub x, or E of x is equal to n sub I times, or actually, sorry, I forgot a crucial part, is equal to sigma sub n sub I times p sub I. Okay, so sigma of n sub I times p times I means adding up all of the probabilities times the ages. Okay, so once we've given the formula, go ahead and write it out. So we'll do 14 times 0.094 plus 15 times 0.139. I'm not going to show all of them just for the video's sake, but on the test I would recommend showing all of them, plus 19 times 0.084. Go ahead and type this into the calculator. You'll get a value. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'm going to calculate the value real quick. Alright, so I've calculated the value using my calculator, and we get 16.548. Alright, moving on to part C. If a random sample of 5 student athletes is selected, what is the probability that 4 or 5 of the athletes are at least 16 years old? Okay, so we need to find the probability that it's either 4 or 5. Okay, so we need to see if how this distribution is occurring. So we're selecting 5 students out of we don't know how many. and we're trying to find the probability that they're at least 16 years old. So it is a binomial distribution where n is 5, and now you're looking at the probability that they're either 4 or 5 are 16 years old, at least 16 years old. And we calculated that previously. That's just 0.767. Okay, I'm going to move the screen up. So from this point, we will do binom PDF, binom PDF 5, 0.767, 4 plus binom PDF 5, 0.767, which is going to give us, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and calculate that answer. Alright, I've calculated the answer. It is 0.6686. That is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you do well on your AP Statistics exam. Thank you so much.